Hello everybody, TDR here, and we got something in the mail. A couple of things actually. One of them is a new Parrot Anafi case, which I didn't have an old one. I had one from my old Mavic Pro. I gutted out and I was using that. So I want to take a look at this one, which I waited forever to get. You talk about a slow boat to China. It was a slow boat from China. Okay, so that's how that rolled. But the case looked really nice and it was really cheap. I'll put a link in there if you want to look at it. The case is really nice. It's got the same material and the same feeling as the Anafi case itself. It's the same material, same color actually. It's pretty dang close, let's put it that way. But this case looks really nice. And of course I like it because it has the handle. I got it. Oh, and it does have that dastardly strap, which I'll put in my strap pile. I have tons of these straps because I don't use them. Okay, that's the reason I have so many of them. So the Anafi fits right in there like that. That looks super nice. It snugs in there. You have to press it down in there. Then the transmitter goes over here and that fits in there perfect. And then the spare batteries go in there, and I don't even know what the hell goes in here. Maybe this box of spare props or something like that. Who knows? Let me see if I was to close that. No. No, I don't think that box goes in there. But nevertheless, the spare batteries go in there. I'll take this out so you can see. That's the way it snugs in there the best. So there it goes right there, that way. Okay, so you had to fiddle around with it to figure out how to get it to go in there. Yeah. Well, I don't have any spare batteries yet, so I don't need that. I just keep it in there. Now I hear they're coming out with a updated, there's a rumor has it they're coming out with an updated Anafi. You could just lay that in there like that, but I'm not going to do that. I'll keep it in this thing because it's made to be kept in here. And what I like about these things here is you can take off from these things. They're like landing pads, you know, which I think are pretty cool, no doubt. So I'm digging that. So we'll leave that back in there. Put that back in there. So then I got, and these are those motor covers. A set of those. I got the black ones. They came in black and red. I think I actually ordered the red ones. But when I took this out of the package, I saw it said black on there. So they sent me the black ones, even though I ordered the red ones, but who cares? And there's what they look like. And they go over the motor. Okay, now I'm going to take the Anafi out again. I actually had noticed this a long time ago. These motors are very exposed. They're not like the DJI motors that have the covers on them. You can see, I'll get you a close-up on it right there. All kinds of dust and stuff can get in there. So they sell these and you just unscrew the screws right there, put them over there like that, and put the screws back in. So, and they're made out of metal. They're not plastic. You can hear it bouncing on the table there. Yeah, they're made out of aluminum. So that's pretty decent. And then I got these, which I don't think I'm going to use. I'll keep them in the case. But they'll be like those Mavic Air Legs that I got. They come in the box. It looks like this. They're the extended legs, and I'll probably keep them in the case and just dig them out if I was ever in some situation where I needed them. But I'm not just gonna add extra weight onto this thing just for the hell of it, just to have these legs on. And they just slide on there like that. Just slide on there like that. See? So they just wedge on there. One of those wedge on deals. That sucker sits up pretty damn high. I'll try to tilt this so you can see how high it's sitting up. Right like that. Now that's pretty high. The thing looks like a giant spider. Sitting up that high. So yeah, I don't think I would use them unless I needed to in some tall grass or something. I mean, they could come in handy, so I'll keep them in the case, but I don't think I would use them that often. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this cool case. I'll put a link down there if you're interested in getting it. It was very cheap, and it's a very nice quality, so it was well worth, I think it was like 22 bucks. And what I like about it, like I said, is that it matches the material of the other case. So, looks good, man. I'm really liking it. I think I'm going to put my mantis in the case where this was. I'll put the mantis in there. Alright, guys. I'll talk to you later.